Good morning! No, it's actually not even morning. I'm getting ready to edit a vlog. I suck at vlogging. I keep telling you guys I suck at vlogging. Turn that down, guys. Turn it down. You guys deaf? So, anyways. Oh, my friends are here to join us. Come on, I hate putting in my password. Anyways, I just finished cleaning all the bathrooms. Oh, massive lighting issue. So I just finished cleaning all the bathrooms, my bedroom, Madison's bedroom, hallway, and I'm on my third load of laundry. Laundry is going to be the death of me, laundry and editing is going to be the death of me. I can never get caught up on either. Never can get caught up. I have so many or so much footage, and I can't get caught up, and I have so much or so many dirty clothes. So many, whatever. English is not my first language, so forgive me if I don't know what I'm talking about. And I'm getting ready to edit the vlog that I took a few weeks ago. So old, but you guys don't mind. To you guys it's new. To me it's like old. I did my hair myself, you know. It grew a lot, so I did it myself. So in the next vlog or two, you're gonna see my hair braided. Good morning, JJ.
Good morning.
Here, go let everybody say good morning.
Okay.
So what you do is you're gonna turn it around like this, and you're gonna hold this button right here, and you're gonna go around and have everyone say good morning right there. So hold it like that, move that finger right there.
Okay, say good morning, May. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Let's see you. Let's see. Say good morning. Good morning. Okay. I already said good morning. Jackson. Jackson. Good morning. Gigi. He can't speak. May. Say good morning, May. Chicken. Look at Matt eat the Beatles. The story of Gigi's life. Okay? May I please have the last time? May I eat Doritos? Hi. Good morning. I already said good morning, but good morning. Again. They're like, see the machine here. Look at Jackson. Oh, good morning. You already said good morning. I want you to do that. Did you shoot? 8:57. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Buddy, you show it. Say good morning, little baby. Good morning.
Thank you so much, but I have to insist. May the force be with you.
Turn that TV down. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? What's the matter? Oh lordy. So I decided I'm gonna vlog today. Oh lord. Hi Maddie. Oh gosh. So anyways, don't mind my face still breaking out. I just took Jackson to the light in this house. There's so much of it. Get down, Jojo, get off my couch. So I just, no more light. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi. So I just took Jackson to get tested because he's going into first grade this year, and it's his first year at this school. And if I didn't tell you guys, we did decide that we did decide to send him to private school. Mainly because the schools and where we live are not that good, and yeah, it's not. So I have to get their lunch at this school. The school that they're going to, they don't provide lunch, and it's mandatory that every child bring their lunch to school. So I will be doing lunch videos, and I will be making lunch for everyone instead of just the 2 younger ones. So that should be interesting. That should be fun. I did my hair last night. I don't know if you guys like it. Tell me if you like it.
It was the old version.
It took me a while to get
Why didn't you just keep the old one?
all this braids in my hair, and you know how short my hair was, or how short my hair is. It grew so much, so I was able to slap some braids in here. Say hi. She fell last night, and she got a boo-boo right there on her nose. Can you show them? She's like, why are you guys in my face? Don't have to be so mean, Maddie. You don't have to be so mean.
She likes messing with her hair.
So I have to organize the containers because they start school on the 20th, which is this Monday, and I'm stressing out because I haven't purchased new containers for lunches. I got some, but I haven't done any purchase for lunch videos. Like I purchased, you know, little stuff here, but I have to go online tonight, either tonight or tomorrow, and put in a order through Yumbox. They have a promotion running right now that if you spend $75 you get free shipping, and then also 20% off. And then they have sale on their lunchbox, not their lunchbox, the cooler. And so I'm gonna go in and put in a purchase tonight for that, and I'm gonna go organize the container. So let's go. I'm gonna show you guys the hot mess, which is my container, my lunch. So look, there's paint.
Come off, mommy.
Yeah, because you put the stuff. So this is my this is my little tiny little stuff. So I have to organize this and get everything ready. So I have to get this drawer ready. This don't belong here.
That wasn't there.
And yeah.
That was there before, mommy.
Some random check. And then this is the mess.
Sit down with us.
This is the mess.
Sit down with me. I saw the peanut butter
So all of this, everything in here has to be organized. All their containers and their water bottles and stuff like that needs to be organized, and I need to know how many containers I have and what I need to go purchase, because the Sistema containers that I use, these guys, I get them from Home Goods. So I need to make a trip to either Home Goods or TJ Maxx or Marshall to get some more of these, because I think I need more. And so yeah, let's go.
So we're gonna make a pile. Okay, I'm gonna come over for all of these. the camera out? It's too close. Sure. We have thermoses. Little thermos. Higher. Just go out. Keep it. Lift it up. Right there. Right there is good. My face is so bright. My face is so bright. Is that better? Like it? What is so bright in here? My face is bright red, though. It's bright.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got yourself into.
Okay guys, so it's all done. And it looks better. So I have all my yum boxes. Oh, all my yum boxes are over there. I need 2 more. And 1 more for Jackson. I have my bent go kids. 1 is for Madison, 1 is for Jackson, and this yum box snack is for Madison because it's too small for the kids for school. Then I have all my smaller Rubbermaid or Glad containers here for like snacks and stuff like that. Then I have my medium size all right there, and then I have some bigger ones there just for storage. And then in this container right here I just have random lids and stuff that I can't find the bottoms to, or they're either in the wash. Over here I have 2 round containers, Glad round containers. I don't use these for lunches. And then I have my Rubbermaid lunch kits there, and then 1 random long bento style bento, or bent, I don't know why I say bento, whatever. Then these are my just my snacks, sauces, whatever. I need more. The kids lost a bunch of them, but that's where that is. Then I have thermoses, water bottles, and then these 2, I need 2 more of those. And then I have my Sistema right here. Love my Sistema. I need to get some more. And that's just it. And then in this drawer right here, I still have to organize this one a little bit. But we're all ready for lunches starting next week. I'm out of breath. Woo! I feel like I'm pregnant. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Anyways, that's all I'm doing for today. And then I'm gonna go edit. I'm gonna go edit a vlog. I haven't put up a video in like over a week. It's just been busy, like extremely busy, getting these kids ready for school and making sure that the house is organized before they go back to school. If not, it's just gonna be chaos. I need to set up some kind of command center around here. So much I have to figure out, but we're gonna get there one day at a time. How you guys doing? I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while. But anyways, I'm gonna go hang outside with my husband. He's grilling. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Go.
Watch out. Watch out. Hi. Is it? Oh, it's wet. It looks like it's going to rain. So guys, I have to change out this switch plate, and I went to Lowe's and they had this for 49 cents. So watch out, Juju. Ooh, I don't know if the white will look good on the gray. I think it will. I think it will. Right, honey? Yeah. Hi, Maddie. That's all she says. And I cleaned out my purse. So I have Maddie's section right here, my little section right there, And then all my feminine products are there, and pens and stuff like that. So I want to switch out my purse, but I don't know which one. I've had this for a really long time, and I mean, I guess it works. It works. Hubby's supposed to be making us dinner on the grill, but it rained, so it rained them out. Well, it didn't rain. No, ow! Ow! Oh, I'm so fat. I just hit my Are you gonna make us dinner?
Never know, no.
So he's not gonna grill. Oh, you gonna get up from beside me?
No.
What do you want? He's staying bugging me, man. Y'all should see the thing I just cleaned up. Maddie just made a mess of it. Kids, man, don't have kids. Don't have kids. Trust me. There's no reason. There's no point to having children. They just make your life so much more harder. There's no point. What's the point of having little humans running around making messes? What? So they can grow up and beat us when we poop in our diaper? Give me a kiss. I love you, but they are adorable. Yeah, it's gonna make your life so much better. I love you. You stay whining. She stay whining, people. No. Use your words. Say please. Say please.
Start back tomorrow.
That fast? I'm not ready. I wasn't ready. I'm gonna cry. I wasn't ready, babe. Say ah. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Say my name is Madison. Show me your eyes. Show us your eyes. Show us your nose. Do something other than saying hi. Show us your nose. Nose? Where's nose? Oh, look. You want to do it now? Show us your teeth. Show the sunshine your teeth. Your teeth. Ah. Are they pretty teeth? Pretty white teeth? Yes, you're so stinking cute. So, hubby start back work tomorrow. He was out for a week. No, less than a week. He went back to his original employer, so. You think we'll be stressed out, but we ain't stressed out. I'm not stressed out. Are you stressed out, babe? I want some chicken though on the grill. I know that much. Yeah, but I'm excited to make lunch videos this time around. Hopefully I don't attract the immature kids that tend to come on and want to leave nasty comments and be hateful and rude, because I really want to grow my channel. But at the same time, I feel like lunch videos are gonna kind of push my vlogs to the side. They're not gonna get the same amount of views, and it's just like so weird when you go to a channel when you have 200 views on vlogs and over 1 million views on a lunch video. It's like, whoa. Anyways, people, I don't have anything else. It was nice to just get back into the swing of vlogging again. If not been chatting. But I'm gonna throw this up and give it to you guys, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.